Everton's team. A lovely through ball, and the flag stays down. It's Boniface Omondi, brings it, twists again. Finally puts it in the net. The youngster on the other side who puts it in the net. It's a shot, rattles the crossbar, and Gorbaya still have a chance for a second one. It's in the net. It's Joachim. He has won, so he gives Mehdi Kagere. Looking for a touch into the net. It's in. It's a goal. It's for Gorbaya, and it comes from the new substitute Samuel Onyango. Fresh legs, bringing in fresh goals. The fans will be ecstatic about it.
Pleased with the way the first half went, and I'm pleased where we got 4 goals, because we tried to rectify it in the second half and it worked, but we've got to do better in front of goal. But I'm very disappointed with the 2 goals we conceded. One from a free kick, which we defend situations like that very, very well, and unfortunately we went to sleep. And the second goal, it's a bad touch from Samuel, who's just scored a goal, and then he's give them a goal. But you know, all credit to them, they give us a good